Welcome to this Device Switch Webcast. In this webcast, you learn how to switch from an Android device to a BlackBerry 10 smartphone. Only the data you save locally in your smartphone storage space is transferred. Data that you wirelessly back up or sync with an online account isn't transferred to your new smartphone. For information stored within an account, like contacts stored within your Hotmail account, you must add the account to your smartphone to transfer this information to the Contacts application. The BlackBerry 10 smartphone has an on-screen setup that should be completed prior to the device switch. During the on-screen setup, you will log into your BlackBerry ID account. This will move your BBM contacts over to your new smartphone. To insert the SIM card, use the key and insert it into the SIM card keyhole. Pull the SIM card tray out of the slot. Place the SIM card on the tray and then place the tray back in the SIM card slot. Repeat these steps to insert a media card. In this example, you'll add a Gmail account. To set up an email account on your new BlackBerry smartphone, swipe down from the top. Select Settings. Select Accounts. Select Email, Calendar, and Contacts. Type your Gmail account into the email address field and then select Next. When prompted, type your email password and then select Sign In. Read the on-screen terms and then select Accept. In this view, you can sync your email account contacts to your smartphone. Use the toggles to select the features you want to sync and then select Done. Your added Gmail account appears in the BlackBerry Hub. Contacts and calendar items stored within the account will also sync to the smartphone. If you are syncing a large amount of data, it may take some time for the items to populate your smartphone. In this example, you'll add a work account. First, contact your administrator to get an activation password. On the main screen of your new smartphone, swipe down from the top. Select Settings. Select Accounts. Select Add Account. Select Email, Calendar, and Contacts. Type your work account into the email address field and then select Next. If you can't add the account by entering the email address, navigate to Settings, then Accounts, select Add Account, then Email, Calendar, and Contacts, and then select Advanced for additional options. Contact your service provider for details on the account using this method. Type your password into the Activation Password field and then select Next. Select Set Password. This password controls the workspace. It can be the same as your smartphone password, or you can set it to something different. Type your desired password into the Password field. Type your desired password again into the Confirm Password field. Select OK. Enter your password in the Enter Password field and then select Done. Your added work account appears in the BlackBerry Hub. You will be prompted to enter your network credentials. BlackBerry Balance technology helps address corporate security concerns without limiting personal use of your BlackBerry smartphone. if your administrator turns on BlackBerry Balance, the device data, apps, and network access are separated so that you have a workspace and a personal space. Connect one end of your USB cable to your computer. Connect your Android device to the other end of the USB cable. Using a second USB cable, connect one end of that USB cable to your computer and the other end of that USB cable to your new BlackBerry 10 smartphone. On your computer, open Windows Explorer and then select your Android device drive from the left side menu. Open Windows Explorer again and select your new BlackBerry 10 smartphone drive from the left side menu. Choose the content you want to move and transfer it to your BlackBerry smartphone. In this example, move some music files and image files. Each Android device has a different folder structure. Look around the Explorer window on your specific Android device for the content you want to transfer. In the Explorer window for your Android device, open the Albums folder. Select the music files you want to transfer. Right-click and then select Copy. In the Explorer window for your BlackBerry smartphone, open the Music folder. Right-click and then select Paste. In the Explorer window for your Android device, open the DCIM folder and then open the Camera folder. Select the image files you want to transfer. Right-click and then select Copy. In the Explorer window for your BlackBerry smartphone, open the Photos folder. Right-click and then select Paste. When you transfer data from your Android device to a BlackBerry smartphone, continue to browse through the other folders on the Android device and repeat this copy and paste process for other files you want to transfer. As noted in Knowledge Base article number KB33523, BlackBerry device migration does not support migration of the following information to the BlackBerry 10 smartphone. You must manually configure these settings. Appearance, for example, background image and icon placement. Notifications and profiles. Email accounts, that is, email messages and settings. Facebook and Twitter accounts and settings. Current BlackBerry ID being used. Applications downloaded from BlackBerry App World. Paired Bluetooth devices. Password keeper. The data is transferred during a device switch, but the application is not included by default. You can install Password Keeper using the BlackBerry World application. BlackBerry Enterprise Server data and settings. Wi-Fi profiles pushed from a BlackBerry Enterprise server or restored over the wireless network, and custom auto text or word substitution. Disconnect your Android device and your BlackBerry 10 smartphone. Your media should be migrated. You can search for the apps you use in BlackBerry World or the Amazon App Store. If you can't find these apps, contact the app vendor to discuss its availability in these stores. With BlackBerry Link, you can manage and sync your pictures, songs, and video between your BlackBerry 10 smartphone and your computer, including your address book and calendar. Download and install BlackBerry Link on your computer by navigating to blackberry.com/BlackBerry Link.